Hi, what's up YouTube? It's Davey Packages. We are back with Celine, and we wanted to bring you a special Saturday unpackaging. We just got this from Amazon from our friends over there, so we're gonna check it out. We're very excited about this package. We're not gonna be using the box cutter today. No need. We're just about to open it right up. So here we have the Govee LED TV backlight lights. These are made to basically illuminate behind your television, give you some lighting when you want it. Wireless, connects to your smartphone, works with Alexa, works with Google Assistant, and the Govee Home app. Easy setup, so we're gonna go ahead and set it up and let you know how it goes. Sure. Making life smarter is what they say. I kind of believe it. Here we have the spool of lights, it looks like. Those look like the LED lights themselves, so very thin, very compact, low profile. It's a little offer to share it if I like it, so we'll find out if I do. Here comes the manual. Pretty easy. Pretty easy, looks like. We come into here, we have an alcohol prep pad. If we don't end up using this today, we'll keep it for some first aid. We have some tape, some sticky tape. This looks like it's the hub. A little 3M sticky thing on the back, a little adhesive. And then finally moving into here, we're gonna check this last thing out. And this looks like it's the little thing that drives the whole ship, the power block. So we're gonna figure out how to put these all together. Then we're gonna throw it on behind the television, get it going. And thank you for choosing Govee, you're welcome. Thank you for letting me choose you, as we always say. Search engine optimization is a beautiful thing for Amazon, and you search for these things, they come right up. They're doing a great job. 16 million colors in this piece of technology. We're gonna try all 16 million. So as you can see, we've taken the TV down. We're just cleaning the back of it before we're gonna apply the adhesive lights to it. So just kind of speeding through this part. For the next step, they said just to kind of open this up and peel it out straight. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, as you can see, that one's been stuck, and then we're gonna have to basically fold and then come around that side. All right, now we have the entire TV covered in the back, down all four sides. We're gonna quickly affix just little things in the corners to keep these little things down. And the next thing we did is we hooked this little thing from the remote hub into the back of it to get it going. And we have the power strip right here, so we're gonna remount the television and then. All right, moment of truth. Television's back up and mounted. So 3, 2, 1. Whoa. All right, we got some light. Let's see. Boom. And let there be light. That's the final product with the television on. You can change it to as many colors as you want. Obviously, as it gets darker, it's just more enjoyable, but this is sick. This is insane tech. This thing will react to sound, and we are seeing that right now with the sound going. Alexa, play. To the city and I broke down crying. 4 years, no calls, now you're looking pretty in a hotel. As you can see, so much light coming from back here. It's so cool. And you can even change the color. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. I like the blue, so we're gonna leave it on blue for a little bit, but thanks for watching. This looks awesome. It wasn't too expensive, like 20 bucks on Amazon. We'll put the link down below. Subscribe, like, and follow, and we'll see you next episode. We love this. We love it.